We're talking about life safety. What you see here, good thing to look for on your life safety plan is always note here smoke detector locations. Then here we have a system record of completion. All right, very important document. You always want to make sure it's filled out with name, property information, contractors, testing information, monitoring company. What you see here, they put a permit number, however they didn't put the addition. Looks pretty good overall. Signed, test time, that looks good, but I want you to see here, smoke detectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we really want to make sure when we're looking at these reports that they're filled out properly, number one, but also that they correlate with your life safety plans and all properly tested and documented.